Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can start making money with creating unlimited coloring books using Leonardo, Canva and ChatGPT and sell it on Amazon. As you can see, there's a lot of different coloring books and you can just do as they are. For example, you can see there's a lot of them and they sell a lot, because if you go you will see that it has, for example, a lot of ratings, and it is definitely the one that is most selling one, because if you can see, if you compare between others, it is definitely the one. What if I told you that you don't need any special tools or even so-called any of gurus or any courses? You can just go and create coloring books. Are in high demand in quarter because there's a lot of celebrations in the city and people will be going onto Amazon to search for the best gifts items to give their loved ones. They're going to come up here and search for the best coloring books for kids, for example, and they will get ton of suggested books. As you can see here, this book was published recently and they're obviously making some cool cash already. But what if I told you that the best time to publish any children's book is now, because Amazon pushes newly published books for the first page during the first 30 days of publication, and what we're going to model exactly what these guys are doing and even outrank them. This is the easiest way to make money right now, and there are just 3 steps to this using 3 AI tools, and the first one will be using ChatGPT. So let's get started. Step 1 is just open ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT, sign up, and just make some prompt. For example, I want to create enchanting Christmas themed coloring book for kids aged between 2 to 7 years. Please suggest 50 unique Christmas items for my coloring books, and just send it. And as you can see, it will just generate for us 50 items that we will be using therefore. And now step 2, all you need to do is just go to the Leonardo AI. And as you can see, it's Leonardo.ai. It gives you free point that you can just easily use it for free. It's kind of demo, so you'll be able to make a lot of prompts, use text to image, image to image, and a lot of other solutions and cool features and tools. So all you need to do is just click here, create an account, or just launch the app. So we're going to always create an account, click on it, and all you need to do is sign up or log in with your email. So I'm just going to register new account. Just pick your username and check if it's available, and just click your interest. For example, my interests are art, interior design, and toggle on this button here. See, there's different styles, different designs, so we're going to stick up with the new one. But if you need the older version, but I would not suggest you use older version, just in case that the new version is user friendly. As you can see, there's our dashboard, and we have something like 150 points, and it's important. Just remember that we're in free plan. Also, if you need to just upgrade, you can use this button here or there, and as you can see, there's all the different plans. And for example, if you stick with paying for per year, it will be some discount. But if you want to just try it, you'll be going to charge a little bit higher, but it's not important. All we need to know that we can just use it for free, and we don't need any plans for that. And you need to go over here, click image generation, and click here let's go. As you can see, it suggest for us different features and tools, but we don't need them. Click let's go, and all you need to do is just click here and choose the Dream Shaper model. But also you can see there's a huge variety of different pre-trained fine-tuned models. For example, 3D animation style, also Stable Diffusion 2.1 SDXLs, and the fine-tuned lean for exactly specifically for Leonardo. So we're going to just choose the Dream Shaper. Also, if you need, there's a future image guidance, but we don't need them. We just need this field because we're going to work with this one, and number of images, but we will need only 2 because it would just suggest for us. And also we can input dimensions. As you can see, there's a lot of different styles, a lot of different sizes, and for this purpose we have to use manually. Also we can just manually adjust it, but for now I'm going to use manually input. So that's all, and you'll find a prompt, a useful prompt for that. I will just leave in the comments. So if you want to copy, just go and look for prompt in the comments or in the description, or just rewrite from there. And all you need to do is just change there the item that we just generated. For example, there's Santa Claus, stockings, wreath, and a lot of different ones. For example, let's stick with the reindeer. Just click here, generate, and wait a little bit. And as you can see, there's a perfect one. And that's the important stuff, that actually we want to choose the number 2, because you never know, it may generate something like that, but we need only white background. We just specifically prompted it, but sometimes the model is giving another result. So as you can see, we can just click here and download our image. Also we can just upscale, but in this case we don't need them. We don't need this kind of stuff. So just click here and let's take and go with another one. So for example, we want to generate elf. All you need to do is just click here and change here, and it will just generate, it will loop, and we need to wait a little bit. And that's it. For, as you can see, there's a perfect ones. For example, this one looks more rounded and more shaped, and it's more aesthetic. So let's just click on download the image, and that's it. Let's dive into the next step. And the next step is just canva.com. It is just easy. Just go and sign up with your Google, with your email, with your, I know, Microsoft Team or other stuff. And it's free. Also, it's free. You don't need to have any pro plan or other paid pro premium elements. So it's simple. All you need to do is just go to dashboard, like in main side, and over there find this button, custom size, or also we can just click here, click more, and go with your customized size. For example, just click here, over there, custom size, click inches, and the most popular size for coloring book is 8.5 and height is 11. And there you go. Just click create new design, and that's it. So we're here, and for example, and you can just click over there and it will be just duplicating the page. For us, you need to just click on elements, and uploads and upload your files. And we just uploaded our generated images, and we need to just go back to ChatGPT to create a front matter. And for example, all you need to do is just ask ChatGPT for front matter. As you can see, it should contain title page, copyright page, education page, table of contents, and all you need to do is just, for example, if you need to this page, you can just copy that and just send it, and it will generate for us instruction page. For example, this one. And also you can see it just generated, we can just ask it 3 titles for a Christmas themed coloring book, and it just created and generated for us the 3 ones, and we'll just copy them, and let's go back to Canva. Okay, so we're in Canva now, and we need to just create and give a title, something like that, and we'll be adding something like Christmas themed, for example, something like that. And if you need to just, for example, just duplicate it, click duplicate, and we'll be just deleting this one. Click here. Okay, so now we need to, also we can change the font of it, also add, you know, some. Now we just need to upload our images here. Just to do that, just click and drag to here. And also if you don't like these shadows, you can just add a photo, click here or there, go to the adjust and go to the light and adjust the whites to the right. We can just drag here our elf and place it somewhere here. Also edit photo, adjust, and drastically change it. So now all you need to do is just add the other pages. As you can see, as you saw before, it was front matter. You'll need to add you know, the title, the instructions, the introduction, and the end. And you'll be just uploading 50 of them or more. I would suggest doing more, but definitely not less than 50. And to generate a captivating for book, you know, like design, cover book, you need to just go to the Leonardo and input the size of it just manually, and copy from the video, from the comments, from the description, this prompt. Also, let's just choose 4 and click generate. And as you can see, there's a good ones. For example, this one, you can see it looks great. Also this one, maybe this one. All you need to do is just download the image, and that's it. And now we just need to go, and now the important stuff, you just need to go to your browser and type in KDP book cover calculator. Click on the first link and follow through. You just need to and choose your interior dimensions, page count 50. Click calculate dimensions. And now just click calculate dimensions and then download the template. And let's go back to Canva. Just let's open the new custom-sized. Just copy the dimensions from KDP that you just copied. And now you can just drag your new, and we just drag it our template, and let's just align it to layers and bring forward, and just maybe make it change the opacity, make the cover, and make sure that your template is not it's just basically cover design. So all you need to do is just place the title here. You make sure that you don't cross these pink borders, and for example your title it'll be placed somewhere like here, and at the end your information also. And then you just need to just delete this one and click share and download it as PDF for your design for a cover book. And now we just need to type Kindle Direct Publishing, click the first link and open that. And all you need to do is just sign in with your like Amazon account. And for example, if you don't have account, just create your account and sign in. All you need to do is just type and choose the information that you need to put in fields, all the required information about your book to make your listening even more visible to potential buyers. I recommend learning from your competitors' listings, study how they craft titles and description, check out some winning books on Amazon that share the same theme as yours and use similar categories and subcategories. Having filled this section, now let's move on the next step. Generate your KDP ISBN, leave it at white and black, choose the dimensions of your interior book, and trim size is 8.5 and 11 inches. Remember, write and choose here no bleed, upload your manuscript, which is your interior, then upload your book cover. Ensure that you fill out the all content generated section. Having done that, click on the launch preview to check for possible mistakes, but if you have followed my step-by-step guide, you wouldn't have any problems. So check errors. Now click on approve to proceed. As you can see, your printing cost is around $284, which tells you that your book price should be priced at $6.99 at minimum. However, this is totally up to you. Now it's time to publish your book. Wait for it to be reviewed by the Amazon team, and after some hours you'll receive approval and your book will be live on Amazon. So that's it, guys. All you need to do is just go and try to repeat all the steps and repeat all the actions step by step. And if it was helpful, don't forget to share, hit the like button and leave a comment. See you in the next tutorials.